How's it going there, YouTube? This is Tio Fuego. Now I'm back with part 2 of my installation series. I have the passenger seat already installed on the Honda Rebel 500, and today I'm going to be installing my Topteng passenger foot pegs. I got these on Amazon. They were about $70. I'll put a link down in the description for you if you want to check them out. By all means, get them unboxed and we'll get these on the bike. So this is how they come in the box. They are already assembled, so I don't need to worry about having to assemble everything with the spring nuts and everything like that, spring locks. And it does come with 2 bolts. Okay, so on the side where the exhaust, we're going to install it right on the hole over where the stock exhaust clips onto, using a 14mm wrench. The screw comes right on the end of the peg, and it has the nut already attached onto it. So detach the nut, put it in the back, and you could actually probably just hold the nut with the wrench and twist the actual peg to get it to go on, at least initially. Okay, now that that's nice and secure onto there, folds up, very nice, comes down right over the exhaust, so now you don't have to worry about stepping on it. Now let's hop onto the other side. Okay, and the other side, it's going to bolt it on these 2 bolts right on the side here, in front of the shock, using the 6mm Allen key. And once again, full disclosure, these were pre-loosened. This is another one of the nuts that I did strip, so keep that in mind. Okay, once those are removed, remove the packaging. Once again, test it, make sure that it works, no issues. And we're going to bolt them, I should say, directly on through here. Okay, got the one on the place. It came with bolts. I'm just using the same bolts that they were originally on the bike. Okay, so quick reset. Turns out the rear hole, I actually had to use the new nut that came with the packaging, and that one actually uses a 5mm hex key. So switch that over. There you go. Now it slides right through. The other one wouldn't go through. Okay, get that nice and tight. And I'll tighten up the front one. And there we go. We have rear foot pegs. Okay, so we have the rear foot pegs mounted back there. Then angle back. Let's test it out. And there you go. Sitting on it, all my weight on there, 0 issues. Plenty of room on the back of the seats. They look good to me. Okay, and that concludes part 2 of our 3-part installation video. Got the passenger pegs in and functioning properly. Stay tuned for episode 3, which will include a back seat rest. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped if you're going to be installing these passenger pegs. Once again, I put the link below down in the description. If you are interested in checking them out, please do so. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you are interested in the installation video of the passenger seat, please check out the video as it pops up on the screen here. So, until then, this is Tio Fuego. Take care.